Stuck at the "Can't connect to this network" screen in Windows 11? No worries. Today, I'll show you how to fix it using this new method in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open the command prompt. Now, type this command exactly as shown. Then hit Enter. Your PC will restart. And now, you can skip the network requirement and continue setting up Windows 11 without Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now, just complete the setup as usual, and once inside Windows, you can connect to your network later if needed. And that's it. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next tech tutorial.